Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope last week's video wasn't too controversial for you to take in. So although we think that it's okay to use silicone shampoos, but the demand for non-silicone shampoos remains high. Manufacturers understand this, and that's what we're going to be talking about today. We're going to be looking at 5 non-silicone shampoos, and it's likely that you already have used 1 or 2 of them before. The first one we shall look at is from the brand Carl-Meric Pure Shampoos, which we saw a little rise in its popularity about the same time last year. Although it's of a non-silicone formula, it doesn't leave the hair overly wet or squeaky after wash. Furthermore, this shampoo has the same slight acidity as the scalp. Now it might seem that there are 3 different series to choose from, but the real difference between them is only in the scent and design. They work the same. The 3 sets, shampoo and condition considered a set, are Active and Smile for wild rose and clover scent, Natural and Slow for grapefruit and lavender scent, and Sweet and Charming for cassis and jasmine scent. Note however that their conditioner counterparts do contain silicone, so grab the shampoos only if you are going for silicone free. Kumano Yushi Horse Oil Shampoo is another popular hair care product that uses horse oil, which is a natural ingredient that is quite similar to the human sebum. This shampoo is recommended to keep your hair colorings or perms for a longer period of time, which also means that it is suitable for damaged hair too. Users who found this shampoo effective say that it's gentle and has pretty good cost performance. Oh, and do note that it contains petroleum-based surfactants which raises the cleansing strength of the shampoo. This series is one of many under Bene Premium, but today we are looking at Bene Premium Rugeria Delicious Repair Shampoo, which is for hair damage control. This shampoo uses enzymes from red vegetables, which includes apple and carrot extracts to protect the hair from external damage. On top of that, it repairs hair damage with moisturizing ingredients such as argan oil and jojoba oil. Now under Bene Premium, there's Blueria and Rugeria, which are both non-silicone shampoos, but you want to consider using this if damaged hair is a major concern for you. Blueria on the other hand is for excellence in hair cleansing. The next is the Angfa Scalp D Beauté Shampoo. We introduced this before in a previous video when we were exploring female hair loss, and now we thought it's the right time to revisit it. A number of reasons why we are bringing this back, of course, is it is a non-silicone shampoo. It is also an amino acid based shampoo, which means that the shampoo is mild, thus recommended for users with dry and or sensitive skin. Salons often choose to use amino acid based shampoos too, so this selection is something you can consider. Furthermore, it attempts to balance female hormones to retrieve beautiful hair. The final silicone-free shampoo introduction might not even need an introduction at all. The Botanis Botanical Shampoo often comes up as one of the top shampoos used in Japan. The shampoos contain more than 90% natural ingredients which are delivered to the hair. Since it's also gentle on the scalp and hair, this shampoo is recommended for users with sensitive scalps. Users who are concerned about hair damage and frizzy hair will want to consider using this too. Recommended you have a good conditioner to go with this, and you can actually get Botanis as a set of shampoo and treatment. Glad we could do a shorter and more digestible episode this week, but I should not suggest that these are the only 5 non-silicone shampoos in the market. There's a lot more choices you can choose from, and manufacturers are producing more non-silicone hair care products, so we will have more choices down the road. And I see new viewers on the channel. Thank you for watching. Do consider subscribing to the channel. As you can already tell, this is what we do almost every week. We take some of the best Japanese products in the market and share them with you. So subscribing will allow you to catch the next episode. Some of our viewers have been asking, where can I buy these products? Where can I find them? Don't worry, we hear you. The Wallneck YouTube channel is not really about selling, it's about sharing Japanese product information so that you can become a better shopper. But what we do is we put products links in the description to our Wallneck store so that you can find more information about it and have a price reference. We do international deliveries too, so if you are comfortable buying things online, comfortable buying things from Wallneck, and you like the idea that your items are coming straight from Kyoto, then how about checking the Wallneck store out? If you have any clarifications about any of the products, do drop us a note and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And that's the end of our video for today. Thank you again for watching. We'll catch each other next week. Till then, have yourself a wonderful weekend. Stay happy and smile.